Hi everyone, this is a quick video to show you some goodies from INTORESIN. I will link a discount code in the description box. First up, we have non-sink diamond glitters, 9 colours in total. I've only tried the light pink. I just can't wait to try the whole lot of them. Not together, maybe, we'll see. I also got this cute little jar mould with a lid, which are great to put jewellery in. Next up, we have the handmade moulds, which are gorgeous. This little one is a crystal mould, and it's so shiny. And you know me, how much I love my crystals. And here is also this beautiful leaf dish. Just look at the material. I love it. It's like jelly. It looks edible. Don't eat it. It has intricate detail on the leaf, and you can see how it shines. Ooh, I love these chameleon aurora powders. They come in gold, orange, blue, and Tiffany green. Just look at them glow. Ah, yes, this dragon mold, which I'll be uploading right after this one, so you can watch it straight away. It's a gorgeous mold, and I think you're going to like how it came out, so I'll see you there.